Hey Levi, hey Josiah. So here's that little alcove you talk about, putting a cabinet and moving the fridge over. And then over here is the, I'm going to turn us, probably not the right thing to do, better go back, is where it was a little L shape with the stove. Stove is still going to have to stay where it's at. We had to take all this drywall down. It was just shot to shit once we took the cabinets out. Sink is still going to have to stay here, a little L shape. Stove's going to have to stick there. And then you're thinking about putting the fridge over on this side right here, which I think will work. If you had some other strange idea, please let me know. Thank you.